Photoshop offers a quick way to select in-focus areas in an image and remove the outer focus areas. Go to the Select menu and choose Focus Area. It takes a while to think about it, but then very neatly removes all the outer focus area. Now we can see some of her hair is missing. We can paint that back in. But then this also brings in the outer focus area behind her hold Optional out and drag him there to remove it. And again for this little bit at the top. Clip the Soften Edge checkbox to smooth out some of the rough edges. We're never going to get perfect results. We can jump from here straight into Select a Mask. And now we can use the hair masking tool to paint over the hair. And we can use the regular selection brush, holding the Option or Alt key to remove any other unwanted areas. If you just press OK, it will return there's a selection. I'd recommend outputting it to a layer mask. There's our cutout. We can paste in any background we want. We've been behind our cutout. And now if there's anything we want to change, we didn't simply click on the layer mask and paint out any areas that are visible that shouldn't be. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.